Hello dear clients, I am Elisabeth from TenerifeReal agency. I would like to present you one apartment which has no renovation about 42 years ago. At the moment the apartment is studio, but we converted for one-bedroom apartment. This is the kitchen here. This is the bathroom. And this is the bedroom. Actually, the kitchen, we can move here for that place and we rebuild it of new. We are here in the terrace now, which one has 30 square meters. You can enjoy from here the amazing view. If you need more information for that property, just contact us.